Hello everyone, I am Himani Goel.
I am Guransh Saran.
And I am Ayush Arvind Alhat.
We are from Group J079 and today we will be introducing you to the Papermill library in Python.
Hey everyone, today we are talking about an amazing tool called Papermill. If you use Jupyter Notebooks and want to automate and parameterize them, then this is for you. Papermill lets you run notebooks with different inputs without copying and pasting code. It's perfect for things like automating reports, running experiments, or chaining workflows. Papermill is a powerful Python library that allows users to parameterize, execute, and automate Jupyter notebooks. It is widely used in data science, machine learning, ETL workflows, and report automation. With Papermill, users can inject dynamic parameters into notebooks, execute them programmatically, and store results for reproducibility, logging, and workflow automation. It simplifies experiment tracking, automated reporting, and batch processing, making it an essential tool for data-driven workflows.
Here I have a Jupyter notebook called Papermill demo. Firstly, I will tag a cell as parameters. Papermill recognizes input parameters through tagged cells, so I'm selecting this cell that initializes alpha and beta and tagging it as parameters. This tells Papermill that these values can be changed dynamically. Now, let's run the notebook once to check if everything works fine. You can see that it executes and generates outputs based on the default values of alpha and beta. Now, I will use Papermill to execute this notebook with different parameters from the command line. This is the command that I am going to run. Here I am specifying that alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to 1. Now I will open the command prompt, paste the command and run it and wait for it to execute. After execution, our output notebook is successfully created with the parameters we specified. All the cells have executed and you can see the new values reflected in the calculations. Papermill also generates an execution log which records important metadata like execution start time, parameters used, and any errors occurred. This is useful for tracking. Now let's try running the notebook again with different values. Let's say alpha is equal to 5 and beta is equal to 10. Running this command will generate another output notebook with these new values. We will refresh our notebook and see that the values have changed and the output has changed. This makes it super easy to automate and analyze different scenarios of one code. And that is how you use Papermill to execute Jupyter Notebooks dynamically.
We'll look at some key features of Papermill. Notebook parameterization injects parameters into Jupyter Notebook dynamically, making them reusable for different inputs. Automated execution run Jupyter Notebooks programmatically, enabling workflow automation. Error handling and logging captures execution metadata, tracks errors, and logs outputs for debugging. Integration with storage and workflows supports saving and reading notebooks from local or cloud storage and integrates workflow with workflow tools like Airflow and Prefect. Now we'll look at some applications of Papermill. Some applications of Papermill are report generation and business analytics, ETL and data pipeline automation, reproducibility and experiment tracking. Thank you.